heavy gauge and extra durable forged construction. Titanium advanced non-stick interior. Unique Thermo-Spot heat indicator. Riveted soft touch handles. T-fal titanium advanced non-stick cookware removes the fear of using metal utensils while cooking in non-stick pans. The riveted, soft touch handles are ergonomically designed for comfort and safety. A special process creates a non-stick cooking surface reinforced with titanium for the ultimate durability and longest-lasting performance. Proper preheating to seal in food's flavor is a breeze with the patented T-fal Thermo-Spot, which clearly indicates when the pan has reached the optimal temperature to begin cooking. The even heat base provides even heating for reliable cooking results every time. This cookware is dishwasher safe and oven safe to 350 DegreeF. Top reviews from the United States. Outstanding budget pan. These pans are a great deal and work very well. As with all nonstick pans, you should wash out immediately after use while still hot with only water and a paper towel, and it will last for several years.